how does it feels to be in paradise? How does it feels to be alive? Welcome to Tasty Clouds. In today's video, we will be taking the glimpse of Pahalgam. We will be embarking on the beautiful journey through these valleys. A trip never to be forgotten. But how we made it? Thanks to Endless Tours and Travel Company.
खाना है we have to keep it on the ground.
सबसे पहले ग्राउंड को
Ground,
कुछ
clean the ground. After that, put the like the water sheet, and then after that you can put on a tent on the floor,
Okay.
and then you are going to your rods in your tent rods हैं.
Okay.
So we have to fix them. So now we are.
So in today's video we'll be talking why should we take this trek, especially come to this place in Pahalgam, and what are the difficulties which one can face while coming to these places. Apart from this, Mr. Shaban Loan will be sharing other experiences and the other offerings which the company has to offer. So here we have Mr. Shaban with us. So he'll be introducing himself. So,
So-
welcome to Tasty Clouds.
First of all, greetings from Endless Tour and Travels.
Thank
And
you very
we
much.
Are really thankful to. We are really thankful to you. You have contacted with us. So this is our hospitality to give you. I hope
Thank
you
you.
are satisfied with us, with our service, with all hospitalities. So looking forward to go another site. So I am just giving this information to all around the world. If somebody wants to do the peace and quiet holidays, nice adventure, everything like nice in the Himalayas, please you should contact with us. So,
Definitely,
definitely, like you are going to visit us on a TripAdvisor also too. So in other places in the internet.
So definitely thanks Shaban bhai for this wonderful experience. So if you are coming from international destination and not native to India, so what are the things which you should keep in mind that I'm going to tell you. First thing is that when you visit Srinagar, you might not be able to experience the what is best at Kashmir. So in order to visit this, you must visit Pahalgam. Secondly, so after Pahalgam, so if you are planning for a trek to this the whole valley, so let me tell you what the valley is going to offer you. So we have leather butt, so it's especially a different kind of terrain. After that, we have various other treks. For instance, we have what is the other treks which you are offering?
There is so many treks around here. If you stay for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will be not able to visit all the places in Pahalgam area. So mostly Leatherbutt, Tarsar Lake is there, Royal Basmai Lake is there, Marsar Lake is there. So Sikwas is there, Leatherbutt is there. So
Yeah.
many other places, because those places are like a mention in the book, but there is some places which is hidden places. So if the people have got time, they can visit the hidden places also, and they can visit the places which is located on the internet.
So let me tell you what the best thing that Shaban bhai is going to offer you. So Kashmir is basically a wonderful place for all the Great Lakes. Okay, so we have got plenty of lakes surrounded in this region basically. So so one of the lake is the Dal Lake, which is exactly in Srinagar. But if you want to visit the more and scenic beauties, so Tarsar Marsar is there. Okay, and
Royal
this
Basmai Lake
yeah.
is there, Trillian Lake is there, Shishnag Lake is there. There are so many lakes around here.
Yeah, there are hidden places also which actually only the native people like Shaban bhai is going to explain you better. Okay, so if you are an international tourist, then I think you should definitely visit visit Pahalgam, and you should contact Shaban bhai. Yeah.
So if you because in the Himalayas there is a 3 types of people who is living up in the Himalaya, like shepherds who is grazing the sheep from the villagers, and there is a local gypsies who is belonging to like the buffaloes, cows, bulls, sheep and goats. And there is a third one which is called the traveler gypsies. They are coming from via Jammu. So they live in the uphills in the summer. So before winter they are moving back here. So if you want to visit, like the experience with these people, so you might enjoy the see the culture of them, how they are living in the mountains.
Okay, Shaban bhai, can you just tell me that ki if I'm an international tourist, I'm coming say from Europe or from Thailand, from Asian countries, so what is the best time that I should be coming from?
You should,
I want to see the best of Kashmir. So what is the right time I should come?
here, sir, we have got like 3-4 seasons in the year.
All right.
Like autumn, winter, spring, and summer. But if you really want to discover the Himalayan, the culture of the Himalayan with the people, so you should visit June, July, August. June, July, August, September is the best time to see here. If you want to see the lakes, like the open lakes, freezing lakes, and the culture of the gypsies around, the culture of the shepherds, the culture of the traveler gypsies. So you should have to come in June, July, August for, especially for that. So if you want to see, the traveling is because of that, you need to be see different kind of, things, what you are going to visit see in the home country, and when you come any other country, you need to be something different over there. The culture, everything, it is a different. So if you want to visit in the Himalayas for that, so you should come in June, July, August, September.
Achha,
See the culture.
one very good thing about this, especially this travel company, is that, and what Shaban bhai is very good at is like communication skill. Like, so if you're coming from like English speaking country or any other country, like, so he's very comfortable with Spanish and French as well as English. Okay, so as you can see that he is very fluent with English. So if you're coming here, like, you will not face any communication difficulties. Apart from this, there are many things like hospitality challenges are there. Like, you are in the nature, you have to like you are basically in the nature actually. Okay, you are not having those luxuries. So how to overcome those difficulties? Shaban bhai is going to help you in that. So I think definitely you should look at this tour company. Okay, so as far as I am an Indian, okay, and I have consulted him, like one of my friends referred him, like, so the hospitality which we received was very amazing. Okay, the kind of food we got. Okay, so if you are coming from, say, if you would like to have, say, bread and jam, if you don't want spicy food, Shaban bhai is going to make that as well. Okay,
Sure.
and any other like thing which you would like to mention, especially with the international?
All your needs, we can provide all the needs. What the client is want, we will provide all those needs for them.
Yeah. So my experience was amazing, and definitely I would like to recommend other people to visit this particular place. And the experience which I got with the native people around here, like the shepherd people, like we had barbecue in the night. Okay, we had like lot of amazing people. We had the stories of different people in the night. So thank you, Shaban
Thanks to
bhai,
you.
for this
Thank you
wonderful
so much.
experience.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you
for
very
giving
much.
me little time to serve you. Feel free to come feel free to come anyone here. So
So
without
I'll-
scared,
Yeah.
without
So-
scaredness.
Yeah. So you're not going. You shouldn't be afraid about all the other places. Okay. This place is a bit remote, but in order to see the beauty, you have to get into the remote. Okay. So I'll be putting the links and description of Shaban bhai and the tour company here in like just below this video. Okay. And just after the video, just feel free to contact Shaban bhai. Just consult him, and he will guide you in the proper way. Thank you very much.